Cooling off, navigating emotional and physical heat. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you've probably heard or might need to use in various situations. I need to cool off. Understanding this phrase can help you express yourself more clearly in English, whether you're feeling too hot or overwhelmed by emotions. So, let's get started and uncover the different layers of meaning behind this interesting expression. When someone says, "I need to cool off," they are often referring to the literal need to lower their body temperature. Imagine it's a hot day, you've been out in the sun, or you've just finished an intense workout. By saying this phrase, you're expressing the need to take a break, find some shade, or have a cold drink to physically cool down. It's a straightforward usage, but it's essential for those moments when the heat becomes too much to handle. Moving beyond the literal, "I need to cool off," can also have a figurative meaning. In this context, it's all about emotions. If someone is feeling angry, frustrated, or overwhelmed, they might use this phrase to express the need to calm down or take a moment to collect their thoughts. It's a polite way of saying that they need some time alone to manage their feelings before they can continue a conversation or make a decision. Understanding this usage is crucial for navigating social interactions smoothly. Now that we know the two main meanings, let's talk about how to use this phrase effectively. Whether you're too hot or too heated up emotionally, saying, "I need to cool off," is a socially acceptable way to ask for a break. It's important to use it in a context where the listener understands whether you're speaking literally or figuratively. Your tone of voice, body language, and the situation will usually make your meaning clear. If you're unsure how it will be received, you can always add a little explanation to avoid confusion. Understanding phrases like, "I need to cool off," is a key part of learning English. It allows you to express complex ideas, like needing a break for emotional or physical reasons, in a simple and effective way. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase in different contexts and that you feel more confident in applying it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn opens up new avenues for expression. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.